Hello everybody, this is Tom from Software Junkie, and I make videos about online software to help make it easier for small business owners to run their shit because software can be a little bit confusing and annoying. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at how you submit super through MYOB. So MYOB's a really, really cool accounting software that I've just switched to from FreshBooks. I found that this is so much easier to use rather than FreshBooks, and it's got a bit more functionality. So in here, I can actually, submit my own pay runs and pay myself. I can submit my super. I can organize my tax. I can file my expenses. It is the bomb. So, but yeah, getting down to the nitty gritty, I'm just going to show you how to submit a payroll run. So I've already had my bookkeeper, sort of do my pay for the week, and essentially she would do this, but I wanted to do it just because I wanted to make a video because it's actually quite easy. And I'm also just going to let you know as well, like these steps are presumably that you've already set up your details with the superannuation portal inside MYOB. They've got a portal that allows you to nominate a super fund for your employee. In this case, it's just me because I'm working for my own company and just paying my own super. But yeah, so first thing we do is go to the payroll tab, come to pay superannuation, and what you're going to do is go to the this little box here, which is the downloaded box, and essentially what happens is you need to download a payroll spreadsheet, and then you upload it to the super portal, and it makes things super easy. So if you click the not downloaded, it'll show you all of the super owing that you haven't downloaded yet and need to download and upload. And once you've got them, you can click that, and this little pay super button will allow you to, this little super button will allow you to press pay. And when you press pay, there's two steps. You've got, number one, you're paying $52 in superannuation for one employee. Yep, that's correct. It'll get you to download the super file, and then the super file will just put itself there. And then the next thing you're going to do is go to MYOB Super Portal. Now, if you haven't set up the MYOB Super Portal, you'll have to do that first. Go and make your account and etc. I don't actually have the details in this video for you. But if you have got it set up, you click go to MYOB Super Portal. It'll open up like this. I've got my LastPass details there, so I can just easily log in one click. It'll send you an authentication code to your email address. So while I'm on screen right now, I'm just going to look for that. My verification code is, I'm not going to say it out loud. It's very weird. There's so much like verification you have to do. And I guess with like dealing with money, they want to make it a lot more secret. But anyway, so after you have logged into the MYOB Super Portal, it'll look something like this. And it's very easy to lodge this, right? So you've got your contributions tab where you can see all past contributions, and you've also got the upload a new file. So this is where we're going to upload the file that we just downloaded for the superannuation. So we're going to go there, and then it should refresh to a page that looks like this. Now you've got options to log it all in manually, or you can use the dates in a file. If you do it manually, you've got to put in the pay period for the client or the employee, and then you have to go through all of these steps. By uploading a file, it takes you from select pay cycle right to the summary and submit. So you get to skip all of those steps in between. So we're going to go select file to upload. I'm going to go to my downloads, my pay super file, click that. It's going to say that it's got it right there. I'm going to click next. And then it's going to come up with all of this stuff here. I'm probably going to blank out all of that, but what you can see in here is just all of my details, and you can just run your eye over them to check that the phone number, ABN, and everything is all correct. And then once you've done that, you just click next, and it'll say the fund name, BT Super. Well, that's my account that I go with. It'll give you a payment reference. It'll say the employer that is paying the super, and it'll tell you the bank account that you are going to be paying the super from. And what this super portal does is it takes it straight from your bank, pops it straight into the super fund of your employee, and you just press confirm and send. And it'll say, this contribution has been submitted successfully. You can see there, I've uploaded the file. It said that it's paid $52.25 to my super fund. And when the super fund receives it, the payment will show up in the received section, which you can check weekly if you want. I just kind of trust that it does it, and I check my super fund anyway. But yeah, and that's literally all you have to do. So once a week, you download your super file, then you come to the MYOB Super Portal, press upload, and you're done. Okay, so I hope this helps. And if you really like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up so I can get my content further in the YouTube platform. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Or if there's any other MYOB tutorials that you want to see, I'm more than happy to put some together. This is just such a great way to manage your own business, especially if you're self-employed. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.